Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I am in my mirror, or one of my mirrors that you will see in the tour, but today I'm doing my salon suite tour. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so entering the spa, this is like a little overview of what it looks like. And I am going to be starting in this corner right here. So this is kind of like, oh, ignore my water bottle. This is like my little entry corner. This is where people put their bags. It's where they put their clothes when they're changing. And I have my broom and my Swiffer back there. I have a little sign that says work hard and be kind, hand sanitizer. They also sit there when they're like waiting, like if a mom comes or something. I have a little TV up here which plays my dad's ads that he has for his business, plus like a fireplace sometimes, shows depending, so I just keep that up there. I have my mirror that my boyfriend's sister made me. It has MXA Beauty Bar with vinyl on it. I have this little cute little guy from Target, an essential oil. It's like a eucalyptus slash like birch wood type smell. A little candle from Target. So that's this little corner right here. Also, this pot is from TJ Maxx. This is Hobby Lobby. Those are Hobby Lobby. This is IKEA. Pillows are from Amazon. Blankets from TJ Maxx. And then moving on to here is my favorite little setup. I'll show you guys everything. I have my Good Vibes LED light, that's from Amazon. And then going right over here, let's start with this. If you guys watched my other spa room tour, you know this is from IKEA, and these are from Target, and my handles are from Home Depot. My fridge is from Best Buy, so I kind of like made this myself, and my dad just like put it together for me. You could literally even see underneath. I'll make it all nice and personal with you guys. There's a piece of wood here and here because this length of the cabinet is really short and we didn't want the cabinet to be that short, so we put a piece of wood here and a piece of wood here and kind of conjoined it, but you can't really see that like from afar. Then we put the countertop on top, so that's what that looks like. And then here we have my pampas grass from TJ. This is from Target. I absolutely love this candle. It's like honey, salted honey. It smells so good. This is from TJ. This is from, I think, TJ Maxx too. A lot of things are gonna be from TJ Maxx, I'm sorry. So it's like unlinkable. But I made this little guy myself. I just used like a QR code website and then made that myself. I get all of my cards and menus from Zazzle, and then that's from Amazon that it's sitting in. Moving over here, also have Kylie's cards right here too. Moving over here, this usually has aesthetic wipes in it, but it's empty right now. I have to refill that. Keep up with my full spa reset. But yeah, I got these from Target. This one actually from Target, I think, too. But I keep them here. I keep my square here. This I'm gonna block, but this is also from TJ Maxx. It has my license in it. A little Bath & Body Works Wallflower. Some Ethimax. And then of course I have my little collection right here. I have Bath & Body Works soap, Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer, and Barbicide. Now, this is one of my newer updates. Also, really quick, this is IKEA. And then this is one of my new updates. That's what I was just saying. So I got a brand new sink, a gold sink from Amazon. I will link this down below. And this is where I keep my brush, my jade roller when it's like clean, my scoopers. I keep everything right there, as well as my Barbicide little thing. And then I just put this paper towel roll, which I actually really like it because when I'm doing stuff, I have like a nice little paper towel roll here now. So it's nice and easy. But yeah, so that is everything over here. Nice. Now moving over here. Lots of updates over here too. This is my little makeup area. So I wanted to do my tour, but there was one thing that's missing from this tour, which I haven't done yet, and I'm still like thinking about how to do it. And I was gonna put sconces here so that it looks like a hair salon over here, but I haven't gotten to that yet. So I was like, you know what, let me just do this first, because I have my Amazon ring light right here. I love this. I use this for makeup. I just got this little guy from Target. That's my little oil essential thing that I got so long ago. I don't even know where that's from. But I just got this mirror, which is one of my favorite finds from Target. So it looks really nice for my makeup area. My desk is from IKEA. I keep my consent forms and my iPads in here and my chargers. Over here I have my little pen, scissor, highlighter, you know, the whole thing. I have my little candle, which I'll put right there. My little crystal. This is from TJ Maxx. This is where I put my blankets when I'm holding them. Got this beautiful Hobby Lobby plant. Love this guy. One of my favorite. And yeah, I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's so like nice and big and cute, and it just like fills the space, brings so much like earthiness to it. I really like it. Then I have my makeup chair right here, which I got off Amazon as well. I will link all this stuff, obviously, don't worry. And I put this little pillow here to make it look nice and cozy over here. Moving right over here to where all of the facial magic happens. So starting over here, I just put this here. This is my cute little print. I bought the frame from Michael's, and I got the picture off Etsy, and it's so cute right there. And then I have my, obviously, my bar cart. I have a video, which I will link down below, explaining everything that's on my bar cart, because if I go into it, this video will be way too long. But I got like all my Skin Script products up here. This is a Kirkland candle, which is so beautiful. It like shimmers. And then those are from like TJ Maxx, and all of my waxing stuff is down there. And this is my new rug. I was like, I might as well show it right now. I love this rug. I got this off Amazon. It's a little grayer than I thought. It was supposed to be tan, but that's okay. It still like works with it. This is my light that I got from Amazon. Everybody always asks me about it. It goes on like this. It has different colors. So you could do blue, even more blue. Where'd it go? Orange and neutral. So yeah, I have that. It also dims. So it's really nice when I'm doing like facials and stuff. And all the blankets and stuff are from all over the place. Target, TJ Maxx, you know, the whole works. This is from Amazon, my little bolster. And then my bed is from Facebook Market. Everybody always asks me about it, but I got it off Facebook for such a steal, and I'm really glad I did, because these are really expensive, and I got it for $200. It does have a bunch of markings on it, which is fine because nobody really sees it anyways, so it's okay. Also, here's another look of the rug. And then I have this, another one to go with that, TJ Maxx. This also, TJ Maxx, my laundry. I got my dresser from IKEA, of course. It holds all of my like towels, headbands, facial towels are in here, and then robes and sheets, I'm not even gonna open it, are in here. Moving over here, we have hot towel warmer. It's from Amazon. I have my little high frequency machine right there, and my sound machine, and some garbage bags right on top, but I just didn't move them. But I have my microderm machine, which is amazing. I'll of course link that down below. I have my lotion and my cleanser for my brow wax and tints right there. Up here we have my wax pots. I also have my water. I need that right now. And then we also have my sticks, Q-tips, tints, and essential oil. This little container from Amazon. I have my mirror back there that I show people and show them like what their brows look like and stuff. So it's all right here on this nice little like dresser shelf setup. So that's really easy when I'm doing clients. I got this little guy from Kirkland so long ago. Also, these are from Target. My favorite pictures that I got last year. Yeah, those are from Target. And basically, last but not least, I have my curtains, which I love. These ones are from TJ Maxx, and these honestly might be as well, but I have a dual layer, so they look like super bougie, nice and thick. Everyone feels very covered in here. My rack, or not rack, but you know, the curtain rod, that is from Target, I believe, or Lowe's. I'll try to look for it. But yeah, these are great. But yeah, that is basically the entire room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Everything will be linked down below. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.